Bank of England hikes rates for fifth straight time as inflation fears loom. The Bank of England hiked hobby prices to a brand new 13-year high as anticipated, becoming the brand new imperative financial institution to tighten policy in a bid to stem soaring inflation. The BOE's base rate became elevated for its fifth instantly policy meeting, this time by using 25 basis factors up to at least 1.25%. The selection comes as policymakers within the UK face a looming value of living crisis. Inflation inside the USA touched a 40-year excessive in April, spurred on particularly by way of rising food and gas prices. The primary financial institution raised its inflation forecasts for the year, saying it now expects fees to upward thrust by more than 11%, up from 10% at its previous meeting, mentioning the effect of the battle in Ukraine and deliver chain disruptions on meals and power expenses. It also lowered its estimates for UK monetary increase within the second area by means of 0.3%. The BOE added that any further rate rises will rely on the outlook for the economic system, but warned that it could be particularly alert to indications of greater continual inflationary pressures, and will if vital act forcefully in response. BOE policymakers have confronted extended stress to deal with the rising costs, with legit statistics showing public self-assurance inside the significant financial institution's capability to position a lid on inflation is at an all-time low. Governor Andrew Bailey has previously said the primary financial institution will act to cut back inflation via charge rises whilst diverting needless disruption to the economic system. Meanwhile, vital banks round the arena have these days moved to aggressively tighten coverage. The Federal Reserve improved borrowing expenses via 75 basis points on Wednesday, the biggest hike considering that 1994. The European Central Bank also laid out a brand new route of price rises closing week, whilst the Swiss National Bank unveiled a 150 foundation point hike earlier nowadays. The British pound became weaker in opposition to the dollar following the announcement, trading lower with the aid of 0.73% at $1.2083 as of 7:22 a.m. Eastern Time, 11:22 GMT.